Has a customer ever come into your shop complaining about a crunch or pop noise as they put their four-wheel drive vehicle into gear, or a whine from the center of the vehicle after moving? Well, that's probably a drive shaft problem, and it can be spotted from the moment you pull the vehicle into a bay. In this video, let's talk about some ways you can diagnose drive shaft issues in your customers' four-wheel drive vehicles. If your customers are hearing those crunching or whining noises, the issue could be the center bearing support, which is a ball bearing mounted in the rubber cushion that attaches to the frame cross member. The cushion then allows vertical motion at the driveline to help isolate the vehicle from vibration. If customers experience a premature failure of the center bearing, that could mean a few things. For example, there could be too much drive shaft angle, the water shield could be missing or damaged, too much road salt and moisture builds up, or the rubber casings are damaged. High mileage and bearing wear can also be a reason for premature wear. If your customers drive a four-wheel drive vehicle, a small amount of noise is normal when using four-wheel drive on low traction surfaces like snow, ice, mud, or sand. However, the noise can become much more significant when driving on high traction surfaces like pavement. The noise is due to driveline loading, which can naturally happen with four-wheel drive vehicles. Tire rolling rates have a lot to do with drivetrain conditions, so make sure to consider the following when it comes to avoiding these conditions. First, tires should all be the same size and brand, because different branded tires might have different circumferences, even though it's all the same size. If all the tires are not exactly the same circumference, they will turn at different rates. Tire pressure should also be the same across all four tires. If not, they will turn at different rates and cause drivetrain issues. Same goes with tires that aren't all worn evenly or tires with different tread types. All can cause tires to spin at different rates. When diagnosing these issues, make sure that the noise coming from the vehicle isn't due to loading. In four-wheel drive vehicles, these noises may be mistaken for transfer case or front axle noise, but that isn't always the case. Before you attempt a repair on a noise that could be caused by loading, take a vehicle out for a test drive. If the sound increases while making a tight turn, it's likely not an issue with the front axle or transfer case, as those noises won't increase while turning. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. We'll see you next time.